A make?
Ah.
What sound does the letter B make?
B.
What sound does the letter C make? No. Good job. What sound does the letter D make?
D.
Good job. What sound does the letter E make?
F.
Good job. What sound does the letter F make? Good job. What sound does the letter G make? No. What sound does the letter G make?
G.
Good job.
Uh-oh.
What sound does the letter H make?
Ah.
What sound does the letter H make? It's okay. I'll keep brother away. What sound does the letter H make?
H.
It makes the sound. What sound does the letter I make?
Ah.
Mason. Okay, Mommy will hold him. Let's Mommy have him. You're getting distracted. What sound does the letter I make? Mason? What sound does the letter I make? I. What sound does the letter J make?
Q.
What sound? Mason, what sound does the letter J make? Look at your board. Look at your letters. What sound does the letter J make?
J.
Good job. What sound does the letter?
No.
Okay, I'll keep him away from him. I'll keep him away. What sound does the letter? Look at your board. What sound does the letter K make? Good job. What sound does the letter L make? Right here. What sound does the letter L make?
No.
No. Oh. Oh. What sound does the letter M make? What sound does the letter M make? Good job. What sound does the letter N make? What sound does the letter O make?
Oh.
Ah, good job. What sound does the letter P make? Good job. What sound does Laney Bear? Go over here and play. Just for a second, honey. Okay, what sound does the letter Q make?
Qua.
Say it again.
Qua. Qua.
I'm turning this off because it's driving me crazy. Okay. Say that one more time. Sorry, Mama's had to turn that off. What sound does the letter Q make?
Qua.
Good job. What sound does the R make?
War.
Er. Good job. What sound does the letter S make? Yep. Good job. What sound does
No.
He won't take it. Mama will hold him. Mama will hold him.
Mommy, make it.
I'm holding him. Okay. What sound does the letter T make? Say it louder. Good job. T. What sound? You turn in your letters.
No, Mommy.
What?
No, Mommy.
He's not touching them. We're on the next. You need to take your T. What sound does a U make? What sound does the letter V make? Say it again. V. Good job. What sound does the letter W make? Do you remember? No. W. W. Good job. What sound does the letter X make? Do you remember? What sound does it make? Good job!
I find it out.
Yeah. What about the Y? What sound does the letter Y make?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about a Z?
I got all the letters.
You did. What sound does the Z make?
Z.
Zzz. Good job.
I
All done. You did so good, huh, Buggy?
sit on the board now.
Do you know all your letter sounds? Most of them. What's the date today? February 15th? It's the day after Valentine's Day. Who was your Valentine?